Like a damp sand, so you don't even need that much water, but you can still see like some markings here, and same thing with the water spots here. So if you induce too much heat when you're polishing out water spots, you'll cause the paint to swell. So the paint will actually rise up while these water spots will still stay underneath. It'll look as if they disappear, but then as the paint cools down, compresses again, you'll see these water spots reappear. So what we'll typically do, lightly sand them. And this, when we sand with a pad, with a machine rather than by hand, it's a little more even and less aggressive, which seems kind of, counterintuitive. Kind of see like there's one scratch still left here among the billions of small ones. One decent scratch there, but looks like the majority, maybe this little spot here, but the majority of the water spots came out. So
what grit sandpaper is that?
That's just a 3000 grit. 3000. So super light. You can see all the water spots are gone.
Yeah. Wow, it looks crazy on video.
You can still see a lot of the sanding markings here. So it just needs to hit a little more compound.
see how dirty they are?
What's up, everybody? Just wanted to check back in. It is the midway point of day 2, I believe. Over here at the shop again. I Ubered home last night about midnight, went to bed, came right back this morning, and day 2. So I'd say day 2.5. We've kind of been taking our time, and it takes a little bit longer because I'm filming and asking questions. When you look at it at a point where you understand that this does take a while, it's because there's so much effort that goes into it as a one-man team. Austin here, the owner, he is doing this all by himself, and he has a bunch of other cars to work on too, so he's a busy guy. I really appreciate what he's doing. So we actually just finished up eating some dinner, and it is 7:12 right now, and we are starting to finish up the compound, and then we're going to move into polishing tonight, then tomorrow polishing and the ceramic coating. So 3-day process, hopefully done tomorrow. I'm so excited to see the final result. Let's go check out what he's doing right now. day 2 is over. He's still going. I'll catch you guys in the morning. Peace.